Hello, and welcome to my presentation today for the redesign and relaunch of PetRescueByJudy.com. I am Ashley Price, and I will be going over the new improvements to the website to make it more user-friendly. My team and I have conducted some extensive research to help you get your website to the next level. First thing we did was analyze your current homepage, and what we noticed was that it was a lot to look at and left many users feeling confused. The new webpage will be more streamlined and cohesive. It should look professional and not look like it was pieced together. We created this wireframe of your webpage using simple tools to create. From the look of the wireframe, you can see that there's a lot to read and look at. We would love to help you simplify the page and lead you to more users on the site. We looked at your needs, some being the menus, which we'll talk about soon, the color of your side banner, how pieced together the page feels. We know you had interest in adding a blog post and a webcam to view the animals 24/7. We also know that you had several volunteers to help keep the page updated. This includes adding a new CMS or content management system, which we will also discuss later. First thing we noticed, and what many users have commented on, was that there are far too many menus for someone to try to navigate to. We would love to simplify this to one cohesive menu. This new design will allow your users to navigate to any page faster and without the confusion. We feel like you would benefit from having only one menu on the top of the page instead of the two you currently have. This menu will have far less choices, but will still allow the users to navigate to all of the different pages within the site. Many users have also noted that the red banner on the left-hand side of your current page was too distracting to look at, so we decided to change the color scheme altogether and use this color scheme. Blue is the color of relaxation and peaceful, like the ocean. The users should not be stressed out or angry while looking for a new family member. Brown is the color of strength and reliability, like the sand in the beach. These colors will help your users to feel like this is a safe place to find a pet, one that is relaxing. Blue and brown will make for more peaceful viewing for the young families who use it. The logo on the site will also be changed to the one you see here. This is a simple logo featuring the silhouette of a dog and a cat. It's more mature and homely logo, one that better fits with your target audience, which is young families and young single professionals in their 20s. You had said in an interview that you had several volunteers to help you keep the site updated. For this, you will need a new CMS, or content management system, which is a software application that is used to manage content for websites. This will allow you to never have to know how to code because it's an all-in-one platform to help design the website. Some new additions you wanted to add were a blog post, which can be updated to new events and fundraisers you're a part of in the community. It will also feature the Pet of the Week, or weekly additions or adoptions. You've also said you wanted to add a webcam to allow users to view the cats and dogs 24/7. This will be a great place for new users to scout for a new pet and see how well they interact with the other animals. We will put a link to the blog post and live webcams on the home page. Thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to listen to what me and my team have to say about your redesign and relaunch. We have worked hard on this project and hope you will consider using us. Thank you again and have a great day.